Hey, this is Tracy from Cheap Car Garage. Got a little bit of a PSA for you. If you have got a 2007 to 2012, maybe even as high as 2015 Lexus IS250, and you have a no start issue. I mean, you push the button, the gauges cycle, and it won't start. It doesn't do anything. It powers up, the gauges cycle, and nothing happens when you push the button. After tons of research, I found out that it is a module that's located right above the glove box. This is the glove box, and right up under here, you have to take out all the screws around the perimeter of the glove box, remove the glove box door, and it sits approximately right there. It's a black module. I have the old module with me. It is Lexus calls it a control module. This is the module itself. It goes, I think it goes that way, and it's on a mount, and it's about right there under the dash. This module is 89670-53090. Lexus calls it a control module. They don't give you any other description. Not sure what all it controls. If you buy it from Lexus, it's like $850 or something like that. But you can go on eBay, put the number in, and you'll find one for $50. I've been meaning to do this video for a while, just hadn't got around to it. But even if you're not sure that that's your problem, for $50, it's plug and play. It may solve your issue and you'll be down the road, but it took me forever to figure this problem out. I have a 2010 IS250C. That's my daily driver. And this is just a short video. There'll be more content coming. I've got, as my title is, Cheap Car Garage, I've got some lower budget cars, trying to help people get in the hobby that don't have $1 million to buy some supercar. They can buy a cheap old 914 Porsche or an MG Midget or Honda Civic, anything like that. There'll be more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more content very soon. Thank you.